ChatGPT Canvas features simple explanation for beginners. Today we will understand a feature called ChatGPT Canvas. This session is designed for senior professionals and managers. No technical background is required. We will focus on how this feature helps in writing, reviewing, and improving content easily. What is ChatGPT Canvas? ChatGPT Canvas is a writing workspace inside ChatGPT. Instead of getting short answers in a chat, Canvas allows us to work on one document continuously. It stays open while we make changes and improvements. Why Canvas is needed? Many of us work with long documents like reports, presentations, or posts. Normal chat becomes confusing for such work. Canvas keeps everything in one place and makes editing simple. Normal chat versus Canvas. In normal chat, responses appear one after another and are hard to revise later. In Canvas, the content stays visible and can be edited anytime. This saves time and reduces confusion. When Canvas is useful. Canvas is useful when we write articles, prepare presentations, create training material, or plan social media content. It is best for any task that needs review and improvement. Main features of Canvas. Canvas allows us to edit text directly, improve selected sections, and change the tone of writing. We can make content simpler, more professional, or clearer as needed. Editing content in Canvas. Instead of rewriting everything, we can correct only the part that needs improvement. This is helpful when reviewing drafts prepared by teams or juniors. Improving clarity with Canvas. Canvas helps us simplify language and organize ideas better. This is useful when content must be understood by a wide audience. Canvas as a thinking space. Canvas is not only for writing. It also helps us think clearly. We can arrange ideas, add headings, and build content step by step. Benefits for senior managers. Senior leaders often review and approve content. Canvas makes this easier by allowing quick edits, clear structure, and better presentation without technical effort. Content creation challenges. Today, content is needed for emails, presentations, and social media. Each platform has different requirements. Managing this manually takes time. Canvas for social media work. Canvas allows us to write one main idea and then adapt it for different platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, or internal communication. Reusing one idea. Instead of starting fresh every time, Canvas lets us reuse and adjust content. This improves consistency and reduces workload. Planning content in Canvas. We can plan weekly or monthly content in one document. Changes can be made easily whenever required. Saving time with Canvas. Canvas reduces repeated work. Editing is faster, reviews are smoother, and final content quality improves with less effort. Maintaining message consistency. Using one workspace helps keep the same message and tone across all communication. This is important for leadership communication and brand trust. Using Canvas in training. Trainers can show live examples of editing and improvement. This makes learning practical and easy to understand. Practical business benefits. Canvas improves productivity, reduces errors, and supports better decision-making by making communication clearer. Key takeaways. Canvas is simple, practical, and useful for professionals. It helps in writing, reviewing, and improving content efficiently. Closing message. ChatGPT Canvas turns AI into a helpful workspace, not just a chatbot. With minimal learning, senior leaders can use it to save time and improve communication quality.